In this lesson, we're going to be finding the percent of a number. And you do this all the time, and your parents do this all the time. We use this kind of math on a daily basis. A lot of times you'll see sales that'll say, take 15% off of your entire purchase, or buy one, get one half off. Whenever you see problems like that, or read problems like that, that's basically finding the percent of a number. So we're going to practice that here today. You're going to want to label your paper, finding the percent of a number, and put today's date on the top. All aboard, kids! For this example, we're going to head to Best Buy to pick out a new electronic. The item costs $55, and we've got a coupon. We need to figure out how much we're going to pay. Our coupon gives us 20% off of whatever we buy. So we're going to spend $55, or that's the original price of our item. So we need to figure out what 20% off of $55 is. And if you recall, a couple units ago, we talked about fractions, decimals, and percents, and how to change fractions into decimals and decimals into percents, and so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the decimal in the 20% and move it to the left 2 places. So we get 0.20. 0.20 is representing that 20%. So we're going to do 0.20 times $55. And this is going to give us what 20% of $55 is. So we're going to punch that into our calculator. 0.20 times 55. And you could do this making a lattice box by hand if you'd like. So here is our savings. We get $11 off. That's not our price, that's our savings. So 20% of $55 is $11. So now we need to figure out our final price. So if we get $11 off of $55, we're going to do 55 minus 11. But you don't need a calculator to do that. That equals 44. So the final price of our electronic that we happen to buy is going to be $44. That's a pretty good discount. We got $11 off. So 20% off of $55 is $11. And then our final price for that electronic is going to be $44. Okay, now we're going to continue our little shopping trip, and we're going to go to Old Navy. It says you're hoping to buy your favorite pair of pants at Old Navy. They cost $29.99. Luckily, you got a coupon in the mail. So that coupon gives you 40% off of those pants. We need to figure out what the final price for the pants is after we use our coupon. So we need to figure out what is 40% of $29.99. Now again, 40%, we need to turn that into a decimal. So we're going to move that decimal point over 2 places to the left. So we get 0.40, or 0.4. 0.40 times our original price, which is $29.99. And again, if you want to set up a lattice box to do this, great. If you'd like to use a calculator, that's totally fine too. So we're going to do 0.40 times $29.99. Now, as you get better at this, you're going to be able to start to calculate what is 50% in your head. And you're going to be able to figure these things out with using landmark numbers. But for now, I'm just going to use some very simple examples. So 40% of $29.99 is $11.996. And now we're actually just going to round this up to $12. So 40% of $29.99 is about $12. So we need to subtract that savings from our $29.99. So we're saving $12. Again, that's not our final price. It's just our savings. So we do $29.99 minus 12. $29.99 minus 12 is going to give us $17.99. So the final price for that pair of pants, after we use our 40% off coupon, is $17.99. Homework question number 1. Now make sure that you've written on a piece of paper in your math notebook percent of a number with today's date. You need to show your work for this homework question and make sure that you are keeping all of your homework assignments in your math notebook, please. Homework question number 2, once again, show your work in your math notebook and make sure that you are completing all the work and showing what you've done so that we can look at it in the next couple of days. And here's homework question number 3. In this one you get to go on a spring break trip. And our final homework question, which is also a little bit of a challenge, let's see if you can figure this out. And you're just going to have to do one more step here. So this one says, this coupon allows you to buy one video game and get the second one 60% off. A lot of times you're going to see sales like this. Buy one, get one 50% off, or buy two, get one free, things like that. It says you pick out 2 video games. Each game costs $50. How much will you pay for both if you get 60% off of the second game and pay $50 for the first game? Don't forget to submit your answers on the Google form that matches this video.